Inussivimmut Ammalu Arctic Winter Games 2002 mut Tikilluaiti.
Welcome to Greenland and to the Arctic Winter Games 2002.
Mani Nuummi katersuuppugut oqaluttuarisaanermi siullerpaasumik Arctic Winter Games sumiiffinnut marlunnut tassalumaanga nuummut eqalunnullu avillungu ingerlanneqartussamut ammaanersiorsalluta.
We are assembled here in Nuuk, which is sharing the host society together with Kalaallit. Actually, the very first Arctic Winter Games ever to be shared between two countries at the same time.
Mannalu illuqarfit aaqqissuisuusu taakkumarluk ataatsimut ilisarnaataat eqalunni qungu maanilu nunatsinni tuttu ilassilaariartingu.
Now, why don't we present the mascot of the games, Qungu from Kalaallit and Tuttu from Nuuk?
Everybody, tuttu. Tuttu siuttu figai Arctic Winter Games imi inersimasut pisussani aqutseqataasuusussat.
Following Tuttu, we have the officials of the Arctic Winter Games. Figenna.
Yes. Massakut takusinaasut isaasut tassalu tornerissat 64-siusut inuhuttunik siutsiusik isaatinneqarput taakkua silami illulliiluani unammisaqattaqartut tamaasa torneriuffiissavaat tassa tornerissat 64-siusut maannakkut isaatinneqarput.
Yes. And now to a great moment, the presentation of all the participating countries and athletes. First in the road, nothing less than 164 participants, Team Alaska!
Massakut tulliulsik isaalerput peqataavussat katilluit 984 siulliullutik takusinnaatiut alaskameersut 164 isaaput taakkulu makua timersorneq peqataaffiissavaat aqqanermarluk sagusaarassanik sisuqartussaaput suluqartartut arfinillit arsaartartut inatraivit inuit unammissutaanni peqataavussut arfinertingasut snowboardsartussat tallimat sneezcornerni unammeqataavussat tallimat nerrayummi arsaartussat marluk volleyballsartartut atnit kiisalu sisuqatik iakkaartussat 24 tassamaannakut isaasut takuasis takusi tassaaput alaskarmiut 164 peqataavussaasut.
And next in the row, please welcome Team Alberta North.
Isaasut tassaaput Alberta North-ornut taakkua peqalausartaat 100-tuunik amerlassusaqarput taakkunangulu sagusaarassanik unampisartut sisamaaput suloqartartut arfinerpingasut eqqallit unammisutaanni peqalaussaq ataaseq arsaartartut saastanit inuit unammisutaanni peqalaassaput unammisartut pingasut snowboardsartartut sisamat kiisalu sisamat aamma sniskortussaaput neqqiimmi arsaaraartartut aamma sisamanik amerlarsussaqarput volleyballsartartut atnit kiisalu ujakkaartussat 14 ilangullu qoltuarisinnaawara tassamaani inersuarmi nunanik asiingitsuneersut unammeqataarussat aalaingersimasunik inissitiarneqarsimamata pulleriaarluillu inersuupnaqqa ulikkariartuassavaat maannakku tassa isaaput Alberta North.
Yes, and next in the roads, all from Russia, we have Team Saqattaarnissagut.
Ruslaanik avanaaninganik inueqatigut toqqaannartumik taakkua peqalaussat tassangaani peqalaussat 29-upput marluk sagusaarassanik sisuartussaaput aqqanummarluk arsariartuupput pingasut inuit unammeriaasiinik peqalaassaput kiisalu neqqiimmi arsaarartutsat marluutsik tassa ruslaanimik toqqaannartumik peqalaussat 29 massakut ilisaminneqarput.
And also, all the way from Russia, Team Magadan.
Massakut aama ruslaanimingaanik allat peqalaussat tassalu Magadanimingaanersut isaaput taakku 30-nik amerlassusaqarput unammisat sartut ataasiakkaarluit sorsornut peqalaasanersut ajoaluartumik paissamangilarput kisiannili nalungilarput ilaat arsariartuusut tassa ruslaannik kangiata avannaanersut Magadannimersut 30 peqalaussat maannakkut inussiimmik isaaput inissaminullu inissikkiartortik.
Yes. And the next team we have from the very north of Canada, the Northwest Territories.
Tulliullutik isaasut amerlajaarsuupput tassa taakkua Kanadaminngaanersortik Kanada ummikkoortuani Northwest Territories minngaanersuupput katilluit qannoru amerlassusaqartik arfinerpingasut suluartartuupput sisamat eqqillit unammistaani peqalaassaput 33 arsariarput inuit unammissutaanni peqalaassaput arfinerpingasut snowboardsertartut marluk sniiskuulerlutik unammiussat arfinillit volleyballsertartut atnit kiisalu 21 ujakkaartik unammiussaaput tassa Northwest Territories Kanadaminngaanersut 141 maannakkut inissaminnut inissilluunnerlarput.
welcome to Greenland. And next, please welcome from the northern Quebec, Team Nunavik.
Tutsi isaallarsut aamma kantamingaanерput tassa kuipittup aunnaani Nunavimmiut unammiartortut nik ikinnerpaagtik ortatsiunik amerlassusarput taakkunanga pingasut eqqillit unammiussigisartagaanik unammiussaaput 13 inuit unammeriasianni peqataassaput sinnerilu sunik unammissanersut ajoaluartumik paasingilarput kisianni tassa maannakut isiginnaakkagut tassaaput kaanta pilaaninngaanik Nunavimmit unammiartortut 28.
And now, from our co-host, we have the team of Nunaata.
Ukiortuusuin tuumi Arctic Winter Gamesimi unamminammik aaqqassuaqatigut tassalu Nunauminngaanersut maannakkut kulliutsikisaapput taakkua 124 amerlassusaqarput tullerialaarutsigit makkuninga unammiqataatissaqattaarnissagut sagusaarassanik unammisaartoq ataaseq suloqartartut arfinarpingasut arsartussat 30 inuit unammeriasianni aqqanillit ilaasapput snowboardsortussat morluk volleyballsortussat atnit aammalu ujakkaartussat arfunarmorluk ilangulluulu aallartippoq tiumisuat uqaluttutta inersuarmingaanik ilisaqatippaat tassa kaantamingaanik nunamingaanersut 124 inissipput.
And now, give it up for Team Yukon!
Tulliuttut aamma kanataminngaanersuuput kantap ummikkoortuani Yukonnermirsut peqatausat 151 maannakkut isaallutik aallartipput taakkunanga arfinillat sagusaaruassanik sisuarsapput suloqartussat tallimat eqqillit unammeqiaasiini peqataassaput sisamat 32 arsariartuupput inuit unammeriaasiinik unammissapput qulingiluat snowboardsortartut sisamat sneakortartut arfinillit volleyballsortussat atnit kiisalu 22 ujakkaartussaapput tassalu isaasut tassaapput Yukonnermingaanersut.
You are many guys in here, right? They should just take their places, and then I will represent the next team. We can say it's the last team I'm gonna represent, so what do you think it is? It is Team Greenland!
Kimulliuttutullu tikaraatittut tassa nuatinneersut nuloqqatigut 155 isaapput taakkunanga qulit sagusaqassanit sisuqassapput arfinarpingasut suloqassapput 32 arsanik unammissaaput tallimat inuit unammistaannik paqataaussaapput snowboardtortussat sisamaaput sneeskortussat arfinillit nerhavimi arsaraartussat arfunarpingasuupput volleyballtortussat atnit kiisalu ujaqqaartik unammiussat 23upput tässä nunatsinneersut 155 massakkut
And from
ilisaminu
Greenland we have the flag
inisikiartorput
carrier Naja Maria
tassalu
Nielsen.
taamaalillutik
Second time joining the games.
Arctic Winter Games
She has attended the
2020
Danish
Nuummi
championships,
unammiqatausat
and she's a
tuusintingaallunnaat
flag carrier.
inussiimmut
Also
inissipput
a role model.
timersortarfissuarmit
Naja Maria Nielsen.
tamaasa unammiorneq kissaapavut.
Mannalu aallartippoq immikut Arctic Winter Games 2020 nunat peqataasussinnerluit qaaqqusat.
We will now represent the specially invited guests who are here in Nuuk to represent their countries. We have the Honorable Senator Randa Phillips representing Alaska.
And the Honorable Minister of Community and Transportation, Pam Bugway, representing Yukon.
And we have the Director Municipal and Community, aallarnerlugit, representing Northwest Territories.
And now please welcome the Honorable Minister of Culture, Language, Elder and Youth, Jack Anowak, representing Nunaat.
And we should please welcome the Assistant Deputy Minister, Municipal and Community Affairs, Hugh Thadman, representing Alberta North.
And now please welcome the Honorable Minister of Northern Affairs, Michel Letourneux, representing Quebec.
And the next, the Honorable Chairman, Honored Worker, Physical Culture, Igor F. Lugini, representing Maragadan.
And now please welcome the Registered Administration, Natalia Slugina, representing Chukotka.
And please welcome the Honorable Minister of Culture, Education, Research and the Church, Lisa Leonard, representing Greenland.
Yes. Tunutsinniittu tassaaput nipilersortugut Arctic Winter Games Band mannalu Mads Lumholdt Bjerretborg ukior manna Arctic Winter Gamesernnissamut ilisarnaatitut erinarsuusiani atussallungu taanna aamma eqalunni ingerlasunut ilisarnaataavortaaq eqalunnilu appisimaarneqassalluni erinniuqataallutillu taalliuqataasunit Madeleine Amma Luusimit.
Behind us we have the Arctic Winter Game House Band, conducted by Mads Lumholdt, ready to present the Arctic Winter Games theme song. The song is a cooperation between Greenland and Iqaluit. It is in Iqaluit performed by the co-writers Madeleine and Lucy.
Mannale nunatsinnit suliarinneqataatitaasup Mads Lumholdtip uagut appiffigisavaatigut.
Well, but here today, the band with our co-writer Mads, they will perform it for us live.
Hey! Lusimanno,
Ubibanno,
Pride,
ikingutino,
Brannarinno,
friendship,
kasisuissuso,
Biunanno,
endurance,
burning desire to wear the golden ulu. Desire to wear the golden ulu.
bissangano,
Roviasunno,
excitement,
unammittorno,
Axaronno,
challenge,
atasiussuso,
Adagioqatiginno,
unity,
Burning desire to wear the golden ulu. Desire to wear the golden ulu.
ay, 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 ay,
immikgut ittumik qinnussisoqassaaq qinnussisoqalugu Nuummi utoqqartatta ilaat Kisia Bertelsen.
We will now, according to tradition, pray. The prayer is especially made for this occasion, and it will be read by one of the elders of Nuuk, Kisia Bertelsen.
Kisia takan.
Issittormiut nammiuarnerani qinnutigisassaq kuuterput pingortitiserpullu quyassutigaarput inuunerteriarfisarfigititat tallu takutikpat Iisus Kristusikkut quyassutigaarput pingortitarsuna tamaat anersaat aqutaavoq asanniinnermut ataasiuqatigiinnermut ataqatigiinnermullu qutsavigaatsigit isimussuiarninnut maani nunami qilammilu aqutissiuutsigut tunissutit silarsuarmut siaruarsinnaaqqullegit Nuannaarutaallutillu tapersorsorneqaqqullegit pingortinneqarsimasunut tamanut. Ilinniartitsigut inuiaat allat inuuriaasaanik periaasaanillu naapittinitsinni takussagitput qanuq amerlatigisut periarfissat illit aqqutigalutit. Ilinniartitsigut inuiannik allanik naapittinitsinni suli periarfissaqartuq ilassissalluit ikingutit suli ilisarilersinnaangisat. Qaamarnup ataani аммасунгортитсигут туллитсиннут асанниттунгортиллута иллит асанниннеқ тунниуссат аққутигалугу уумассусилину таманут пингортитамуллу асанниттуоққуллута қангарсуарсиларсуарне qaamaneq пингортиккакку уллоқ уннуарлу кисииса такусиннааққунгилатит qaamanermimmi tunivатсигут уку такусиннаангоққуллугит инукиналуунниит qatangutigigipput иллиллу асанниннэрмик qulangерсиманеқартуарту илинниллу асанниннэрмик qulangерсиманеқартуартуq таава уагутсинни иллернартиттуарнеқарли тааматут такунниссиннаанитсиннут qutsavigaatsigit тунисигут нериуннэрмик писиннаалерсиллу талу илларсиннааниссамут нуаннаарниссамуллу уллунимаккунани тунисигут пигиннаассутсинник питсаанерпаамик такутитсеққуллута малигассуисиннаангоққуллу талу алланут уагутсиннуллу инуттут писиннаангортитсигут писиннаалеққуллута туниссутитит инуиллу аллат аггуақатигисиннаангоққуллугит иллит пиллуаққусинерит исситтормиут унаммиуаарнерани иллерсуили эқалунни нууммилу куянақ.
Isiaqujana. Mannalu angutiarnallu Nuummi borgmesteri illoqarfitta Nuuk qaaqqusisuunerani siuttorput Agnete Davidsen.
Ladies and gentlemen, the mayor of Nuuk and the host society president, Mrs. Agnete Davidsen.
Nuummutikilluaritsi Kalaallit Nunaanni illoqarfiit pingaarnersaannut ukiuni aallaqartuni ualeqmanna qilanaarismaqaarput ilissi timersortartut inuusuttut nuummut pinissinni ulluni tulliuttuni illoqarfipput alutornarsisissagassiuk neriuppunga maaniinnersi nuannarissagissi orninneqarsinnaasullu arlalissuit atorluassagisi timersarfinni assiingitsuni takkutitsinissarsi tamatta qilanaaraqaarput timersuutit nunanut tamanut nallersuussinnaasut takunissaat qilanaaraqaavut neriorsorumavassilu Nuummi innuttaasut tamarmik Arctic Winter Games 2002 pitsaanerpaamik misigisaqarfiunissaanut peqataassammata Light the Arctic Flame. Welcome to Nuuk, the capital of Greenland. For several years, we have been looking forward to this evening when you, the young athletes, would come to Nuuk. We know you will make this event memorable to us all. I hope you will enjoy your stay and our many facilities. We are looking forward to watching your athletic performance, and we are looking forward to watching true international sportsmanship. I promise you that the citizens of Nuuk will do everything in their power to make the Arctic Winter Games 2002 the biggest event ever. Welcome to Nuuk, light the Arctic flame. Thank you.
Thank you, Agnete.
Mannalu qaasaqassaaq naalakkersuisuni siulittaasuq Jonathan Motzfeldt.
The chair of the Home Rule Government, Mr. Jonathan Motzfeldt.
Asasau tikingusiut uissaami Ruslannimi Kanadami Kalaallunaanilu maani kultuurikut paasimasaqarneq paasinniarnarlu leoqqutaalugit issuttormi ukiunaani unammiuaassaput taamalu qaasaqarlunga aamalu qamanga pisumi sikilluaqqusillunga ukiunaani unammiuartussa tamaasa ajunginnarpaami ullorsiornissaannik unammiuarnissaanit kissaappakka qanittumit ugasissumit lakkersimagusi kisiannili aamma maali ilassilluarneqarnissarsi qulausigissangilarsi qutsavigaau aamma nammin piumassutimin sulisorpassuit taamatut aam TV kuallagaasinikut nunatta tamarmi aamma nunat avataani ittu tamarmik tusarnaarsillu malinnaasinnaanerannu TV raatiukkul malinnaasissinis aam qutsavigaut nuannausiqaara nunarput sinnarlugu aammu naalakkersuusuu sinnarlugit matumunga uumman pisumit sikilluaqqusinnaagassi. Dear friends, the United States, Canada, Russia, and Greenland, our own country. Cultural awareness and understanding are important principles for the Arctic Winter Games. With these words, I warmly welcome all the participants at the Arctic Winter Games. To all of you who have carried us here from far and near, to all of you volunteers, and to all of you participating through television and radio. It is with joy and pride that I, on behalf of the government and on behalf of Greenland, can warmly welcome you to this event. It is my hope that you are happy to be here, and yes, this event will be a memorable one to all of you. Qaamallugulu issittumi pinguaqasigiinneq toqqallatamik igerlanneqartarmat aammalu issittumi qaamaneq ikumatissaatsigu. And remember one thing, dear friends, fair play is the Arctic way. Light the Arctic flame. Welcome.
Juntaat pojana.
Thank you, Jonathan.
Mannalu najuttusi tamassi. Qinnuiissavassi nikueqqullusi unammersuarnissani nunat peqataasut inuiaassutsimik erinaataat Nuummi nipilersoqatiginnit atorneqassammata.
Dear participants, volunteers and audience, please rise for the anthems of the participating countries, performed by Nuuk City Brass Orchestra.
toqqaannartumik Arctic Winter Games International Committee President Tiusok, Mr. Jerry Thick.
And now we should welcome the president of the Arctic Winter Games Committee, Mr. Jerry Thick.
Thank you. Premier Motzfeldt, honorable ministers, Senator Phillips, Mayor Davison, honored guests, athletes, coaches, managers, mission staff, officials, ladies and gentlemen. Greenland participated in the 6th Arctic Winter Games as a guest contingent, and in 1996 at the Games in Eagle River, Alaska, made a formal commitment to become a formal partner and a dream to someday host the Arctic Winter Games in Greenland. Today, a dream comes true. The people of Greenland and the city of Nuuk open their hearts and their community to welcome you to the 17th Arctic Winter Games. This Games is being co-hosted for the first time ever in 2 communities, in 2 countries, Nuuk, Greenland, and Kalaallit, Canada. Nunavut. The city of Nuuk, the whole society, and many dedicated volunteers have worked thousands of hours preparing for the 2002 Arctic Winter Games. The citizens of Nuuk are now ready to open their hearts and homes to welcome you and all Northerners to share in the spirit of the Arctic Winter Games. These games will be a special experience as you come together to compete and to share in friendship and fair play. The Arctic Winter Games International Committee is confident that with the aid of the many generous sponsors whose signs you will see at every venue, Nuuk will meet its goals. To all my circumpolar friends, it is time to once again to light the Arctic flame and share in the spirit of the 2002 Arctic Winter Games. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Jerry Thick. We're very proud.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Jerry. Well, I have seen many women in my life, yeah?
Oh, really?
But not such a beautiful dress have I ever seen on such a beautiful
just the
woman.
dress?
Whoa!
Thank you. It's made by my friend Naya Bruns.
Naya Bruns?
Yeah.
Okay, she's a stylist here in Nuuk, so we give her a hand.
Thank you. Aallartippoq. Takuasi, the Arctic dancers, ritidut. Tassani peqataasu inusuttu 14 rititassiunneqarsimapput Mikala Bjarnov-Lagimit, ilitsersorneqarsimallutillu Bendusmittimit, Kiisalu timiissarneqarsimallutik Tittajansannimit.
Opening this show, you experienced the Arctic dancers, 14 hard-training girls and boys instructed by the Danish choreographer Mikala Bjarnov-Lage and coached by Bendo Smith and trained by also Dida Jensen.
Maannaqiteqqilorput nipilersuutitaliullungu immikkut maslumholtimit erinniasimasoq qaanaami ingeriaattimik tivariaattimillu aallaveqartoq.
They will dance for us again this time, and it's gonna be a specially composed techno melody made by Mads Lumholt, based on a drum dance from the very north of Greenland, Qaanaaq.
kind. This is a celebration, new relation. It will sharpen your mind.
Yeah. Thank you to the Arctic dancers.
Mannalu tikilluaqqussavarput Hans Holm 1972 Kalaallit siullerpaalluni Arctic Winter Gamesimi peqataasimaso Ingiaqatigaalu manna unammersuarnissani peqataasut nukarlersaat arnanguaq lypert taakku peqatigillutik ikumatitaliaq ikissavaat.
And now we should please welcome the Honorable Hans Holm, the first Greenlandic participant in the Arctic Winter Games 1972, and the youngest participant, Aallakaatissavarput Lybot of Team Greenland, bearing the Arctic Winter Games 2002 torch.
Ikumatitaliaq Mikki Jakobsen-nimit, Camilla Nielsen-nimillu, ilusilersorneqarsimavoq, saviminilernermillu, ilinniarfimmi, ilinniartitsisut, ilinniartullu, suleqatigaluit, inaarsaarneqarsimalluni.
They too will ignite the Nuuk Host Society cauldron, designed by Mikki Jakobsen and Camilla Nielsen, and made by the students and teachers from the Technical College in Nuuk.
Hans Holm and Aallakaatissavarput Lybot.
Give it up for the torch.
Thank you, Hans Holm and Aallakaatissavarput Lybot. Mannalu unammersuarnerni peqataasut uppernarsaasussaat Eufenia Kreutzmann, Tobias Møller ilusassarput uppernarsaallu atuarneqassaaq.
Now, for the participating oath, we would like to present Eufenia Kreutzmann and Tobias Müller.
In the name of all participants, I pledge to embrace the Arctic Winter Games in the spirit of fair play and cultural exchange, respecting the traditions that govern them and celebrating the honor and excellence of our teams. Thank you, and good luck, everybody.
Inersimasullu aqutseqataasut uppernarsaatissaat arpattartumit Kim Godfredsen-nimit atuarneqassaa.
We should now say for the official oath, here comes Greenland's greatest athlete, Kim Godfredsen.
Hello, athletes. In the name of all sports officials, I pledge that I will officiate in the Arctic Winter Games by applying and interpreting the rules with total honesty and impartiality. Good luck.
Arnet angutillu. Mannadu Arctic Winter Games International Committee erfalasua. Jens Lennartimit Margit Motsfeldtimillu amuneqassaaq.
Ladies and gentlemen, now the raising of the Arctic Winter Games International Committee flag. They are raised by Jens Lennart and Margit Motsfeldt.
Manna ammaanersiornerbut naavoq. Kingulliulluni oqaaseqassaa Arctic Winter Games International Committee mi presidentiusoq Mr. Jerry Thick.
And now, the very last words of this opening ceremony of the Arctic Winter Games 2002 goes to the president of the committee, Mr. Jerry Thick.
Are you guys ready? Let the 17th Arctic Winter Games in Nuuk begin.
Lusimaanno.
Right.
Ikingutigiinno.
Qannaarinneq.
Friendship.
Qasisuissuseq.
Piunnarneq.
Endurance.
Bissangano.
Uyasunneq.
Excitement.
Unammissorneq.
Aksorneq.
Challenge.
Ataasiussusaq.
Atausioqatiginneq.
Unity.
Burning desire to wear the golden ulu. Desire to wear the golden ulu. Burning desire to wear the golden ulu. Desire to wear the golden ulu. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.